Victoria Pinder. Today I'm at Adams Homes, which is one of the builders in the Greenville, North Carolina area. And I love talking about these homes and checking out these new homes with you and talking about how you can buy one of these new homes. And I'm super excited. And if you are looking, don't forget, Victoria is your agent, right? So anyway, let's look at this home. I can tell you that this model, the 2604, is one of the more popular ones, at least for my clients in the past. So I'm going to show you why. This is the model home, so we're going to see it's fully furnished, and so you can see a lovely home that you might love for yourself. So let's go inside. 2-car garage. This is, I don't know too much about elevations, but this is the elevation with the four side. The only difference between elevations that I can tell is one's a triangle and one is the octagon. They all come with the stone skirt in this community. And now let's go inside to check out this lovely home. So you can see car garage. They're going to only build like 35 homes in this community, so it's a small little community. This builder is doing a great job though, and let me show you why, because honestly it makes me think, wow, this house is awesome, I should buy it myself. So let's go inside. You have a lovely grand foyer. You could put whatever you want here, but it's a lovely grand foyer room. We're going to go check out the bedrooms over here. So when you come in, you can have a little suite of bedrooms over here that if you are looking to like have some separations, these 2 bedrooms over here are separated from the other ones. So we have down here your bathroom. It's a full shower, tub, and quartz. This is another bedroom. They're using it in the model as an office area, but definitely can fit a bed. You have double door closet, which is lovely, and it's off to the side. Now the front door, we're going to go in really quickly just to peek in. We'll say hi to the sales agent on site, and then we'll continue on our way. So this really quickly is a very big bedroom if you wanted a big bedroom. Lovely double windows. And where is the closet? You can definitely fit a king size bed in here, and a very large walk-in closet. So I just want to show you that this is a very big bedroom. You could do, if you had a suite, you could have your bedroom over there, and this could be where your TV room is for the people staying in this little corner. Let's go check out the rest of the house. Here is really what's elegant about this house. Open concept. Oh, I forgot to open the closet. You have a linen closet, your coat closet. We're leaving the grand room, the grand foyer. You have stairs that we can go upstairs, which we will in a minute. You have your open concept, and then we're going to go over here. We're going to go over here because it's just such a big house. We should just go in order. So when you are going to come in from the garage has electric and water heater here. This thing so you don't hit it. And again, 2 cars can fit in here easy. You come in, your washer and dryer go here. And then also you can see this little extra add-on of
that's ready to model.
You can put your closets, your stuff, and then you also have an extra closet here to put whatever you want to put here as well. So there's lots of storage space in this one little mudroom. Now we're going to go into the primary bedroom before we move on to the rest of the house. Usually I do primaries last, but in this one we're going to do it in the middle because it's just a big house, so it's be hard to come back downstairs. Huge one. You can see a king size bed easily fits, 2 sides, a dresser, and you still have plenty of room to work. So lots of room in this room. You can make this lovely, and I always like to see how professional designers do houses as well. Now in this as well, in the master you have walk-in shower. Sorry, I did that. A garden tub. A toilet that you can close the door to, and your 2 sinks. So you have lots of room in here. Now we also have a very, very large walk-in closet. So you can see a huge walk-in closet to where you can definitely see all of your stuff is going to fit in this house very easily. Also, the glass is tempered, so if you are hanging out in the garden tub, no one can see you. Now let's go check out the rest of the house. You have two choices for where you're going to put your TV, but you can see how lovely they already put furniture. You have a choice because this is electric. You can put your TV here, or you can put your TV where that painting is. So you have two different options. You also have a very large open concept living kitchen. I could be cooking, I could be washing my dishes and still talking to my family here, or to my family that might be sitting in the dining area. Notice how the dining area has this as well. So this is just a nice little upgraded feature as well. Now we're going to go to the backyard real quickly in the model home, not to show you this backyard, but to show you the double patio. So you are definitely getting...
Where's that staircase?
Yeah, in these communities you're going to typically get a little less than 1/3 of an acre. So you're getting some decent space. But you can see the patio space is big. Moving on. And we've already shown you 3 bedrooms. I didn't show you the pantry. The dining area, the open concept, and you still have tons and tons of stuff, and then also a very large pantry. So you can put all of your stuff in the pantry as well. Now let's go upstairs to see the second floor of this house. You might think, what could be on the second floor because everything seems to be on the first? Well, let's continue on. You have a 4th bedroom up here, and then you have the bonus area. Now before we go into the house, this little door is going to take you to your HVAC. So easy access to your HVAC unit.
Yeah, can you turn on the light here?
It's just for storage. You can see it does fit extra as well. Now, the 4th bedroom, where you're going to put your teenager, where you're going to put the guests you don't really want to see too often. They're going to be in this lovely room. You can see queen size bed fits easy. Double door closet. Literally, you can't even see me, this closet's so big. So it's huge. It might be one, but it's a long straight one with double doors. You can see as well, lovely. Moving on. Another full bath. 1 sink. Toilet and shower. I love seeing what they do in designers. Okay, here is where the fun is. Maybe my husband wants to play me. We can see I'm not very good at this. Oh, look at that. I got lost. But you can see you can have a big fun room. You can put your TV there, have a nice open concept around here, and just have a lot of fun in your game room, your upstairs room, your bonus area, your man cave.
If they wanted
Another bedroom if you need it. You have to build a closet though, but it's a huge space. Huge, huge, huge.
double window.
So if you are looking for this home by Adams Home, please call me, Victoria, so I can be your agent at 252-327-3357 because I'd love to talk to you soon.